सरदार आरपी सिंह जी ये कह रहे हैं कि लीडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन के पास फैक्ट्स हैं, वो जो बोलते हैं उसको सीरियसली लेना चाहिए।
Well, Parnesh, I'm not the leader of the opposition, so I have all the right to use my social media to send a message, and this is my message for the day on the social media. This is what Raga is, this is what Rahul Gandhi is. But coming to the issue, let me clear it here itself at the very beginning. What do General Narwane had to say about the land being encroached by the China? Sorry if you can hear it, I don't know. This is General Narwane on record saying not an inch of land has been occupied by China. So whom do I believe? A man who fumbles for 1,000, 2,000, 4,000 square kilometers? Or do I believe the army chief who is saying that not an inch of land has been occupied? Or do I believe all these people who are sitting on your panel without any authenticity? Without any document, without any evidence? Oh, he went to people who were grazing their sheep, so he asked them, what funny things are they talking about? Are they going bunkers? When they are playing with the country, and what did the court say? Let's understand this also. It's not something easy. If you were a true Indian, you would not have said all this. When it is such a shame for India to have a leader of opposition on which court has to pass such a stricture that if you are a true Indian, you would have not said all this. कहीं पानी हो तो चुल्लू पर पानी लेकर डूब मरो जाकर कहीं पर। देश का लीडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन कहलाते हैं अपने आप को। What do court have to say? How did you know that China occupied 2,000 square kilometers of land?
RP Singh ji, I understand your sentiment. Let's be civil. Let's not, get personal with each other. We can have disagreements, but yeah, let's have responsible commentary going. Dr. Ranganathan, now before I bring in the RJD spokesperson and Siddharth Bhai from the Aam Aadmi Party, what do you make of what has happened in the court, Dr. Singhvi's comment, the court's observations?
Good evening, Pranesh, and good evening to my fellow panelists. Look, the fact is that both Rahul Gandhi and Dr. Abhishek Manu Singhvi have been caught with their pants down. One of them, thankfully, metaphorically. Three things are constant in life. I thought you knew this. Death, taxes, and Rahul Gandhi lying through his teeth. Not for nothing do I call him an industrial scale liar. He just lied yesterday, shamelessly defaming the late Arun Jaitley. शर्म नाम की कोई चीज है नहीं, जब मन आता है बोल देते हैं जो मन में आया. Grazing, वहां जो बकरियां चरा रहे थे उनसे पूछ लिया. I don't know which grass the cattle or the sheep was grazing on. Maybe the same grass that Rahul Gandhi smokes. The same Rahul and Congress claiming Modi lost territory to China was before 2014 reiterating the fact that the McMahon line and the LAC, unlike the LOC, remains unidentified and undefined in most places and is categorized under differing perception. तब different था, अब different है. Even the status quo is disputed by both sides. So these transgressions are historical, quote unquote. The same Rahul thought nothing of Chinese transgressions before 2014 during Congress rule. Let me remind him what his advisor said, I quote, the India-China border is not yet defined, and so when the Chinese make incursions, it only means that they haven't entered our territory, unquote. The same Rahul was tight-lipped when China occupied 640 square kilometers of eastern Ladakh during the UPA. And who said this? Not some BJP, not some Sanghi like me. A fact reiterated by UPA's own Foreign Secretary, Mr. Saran. Who knows? Perhaps calling for the breakup of Ladakh was an obligation on part of the Congress in that MOU that it signed with the Communist Party of China back in 2008. Finally, the same Rahul was tight-lipped when China managed to make 600 incursions into the Indian side between 2010 and 2013, including in 2013 when the Chinese entered 28 kilometers deep into our territory at Depsang. The same Rahul remains silent even as our trade deficit with China that was $1.5 billion in 2004 climbed to $37 billion by 2014. The fact of the matter is, it is a fact that Rahul Gandhi, if he was the captain of Titanic, he'd have steered the ship all night long in search of an iceberg to collide with.
Let's bring in Siddharth Sharma. Mr. Sharma, what do you make of what transpired in the court today?
Well, Pranesh, it seems Congress hasn't learned from Siraj today, who, with just 6 needed to win, bowled a simple Yorker to a tail-end batsman to win the match. Rather, Congress has become the proverbial Chetan Sharma, bowling full toss to get hit for a 6 and then lose the match. When entire India, including BJP supporters, were flummoxed by the ceasefire, even as Indian Army had both POK and Akhand Bharat in grasp, Congress started asking non-existent questions like how many wickets you lost while winning the match. Looks like Congress itself is having a fixed match here. Congress letting BJP off the hook instead of having patience like Aam Aadmi Party and asking BJP spokesperson on your channel, why did your CBI today file a closure report against Satyendra Jain when in 2019 it had with so much fanfare announced it had evidence against him? Instead of asking BJP, how come rupees 73,000 crore worth of Chinese imports into India happened this month? When at the same time BJP says China helped Pakistan during Operation Sindoor. What justifies this charade of the BJP of Swadeshi slogan on one hand and letting 2,500 rupees worth every household every month Chinese goods into Indian households? When you bowl full tossers instead of Yorkers to tail-end batsmen, it means that it literally seems you are having a fixed match.
But Mr. Sharma, you see, now you are accusing Rahul Gandhi of bowling full tosses. अभी तक तो आपके वो स्टार बैट्समैन थे, आप लोग एक ही स्टेज पे फोटो अपॉर्चुनिटी कर रहे थे. When did you realize? Dr. Ranganathan is saying